There are two methods to fix this problem. Method 1, type in the search box internet options and then click on the first result. Then this window will open. In this window, click on the last tab, advanced, and then move down and click on this option, restore advanced settings. Then click apply. Now click on the fifth tab here, connections. Then move down and click on LAN settings. Now in this window, please make sure that the first option here, automatically detect settings, is with a check mark. If there is no a check mark here in this box, put one, and make sure that other two boxes are without check mark. If there is one, remove it from these two boxes. Once you're done, click on OK, then click OK. Now restart your computer. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. If this method doesn't work with you, then try the second method. To do it, open the command prompt. To open it, type in the search box CMD. Then right click on the first option here, command prompt. From these options, click on run as administrator. Now in this window, enter the command that you can copy from the description of this video below. Copy that command from the description of this video and paste it here. You can paste that command here by simply right clicking your mouse. Then hit enter key in your keyboard. Okay, now you have done it. Close this window by typing here exit and hitting the enter key in your keyboard. Now restart your computer. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching this video by iTech Tips.